member of the Grumpy Club, and they never smile. Left to moan, everyone else is wrong, and they're always grumpy. And I bought my dad this, because I used to say when I was little that he looked like Grumpy from the Seven Dwarfs, which is mean, because he's quite grumpy and old, and so I used to call him Grumpy, and I got him this mug one year for Christmas, and I thought he was going to hate it. I thought that he would throw it at me. No, I wouldn't actually have thrown it at me, but and he loved it, and he laughed for hours, and me and my dad weren't exactly best friends, so it's a nice memory of him. Brings back nice memories of a time when he wasn't grumpy. So yeah. What else? My monkey Cuddles. He's called Cuddles, and he's very cute and fluffy. But the reason that I love him so much is he is actually, I don't know if I can do this, he has a pouch, and inside there's a little bag filled with beans, and what you do is you, oh, that looks disgusting, I don't know what that is actually, but anyway, I think it's just part of the fabric, I don't know, you heat them up in the microwave, and you heat the beans up in the microwave, and then you put it back in the monkey's tummy, and you use him as a hot water bottle, and he's called Cuddles, and I use him when I'm not feeling very well, or I have a crampy tummy from what my boyfriend would call ghetto trouble. I take Cuddles to bed and give him a hug, and he helps with my sore tummy, and he's very cute, and my boyfriend bought me him for Christmas. I can't get to focus on him, so yeah, he's lovely, he's just, so cute, and he makes me feel better when I'm sick. This necklace is from California, and I just got it back from my trip. My friend, when I was over there, she bought it for me. She said that she saw it and thought of me because I like pink, and it's very beachy and beach vibey and Californian, and it's glass and hand painted, and it has a ribbon for the necktie, and it's very pretty, and it reminds me of being in America and being on the beach in California, and I want to go back right now. I want to leave and go there right now, but I can't, so it's nice to have a nice memory of it until I can't go back. And when I was in California also, oh, this is backwards, sorry, this little bracelet says Believe, and it's actually from SeaWorld, and Believe was the name of the killer whale show, the Shamu show, which I loved for lots of reasons. One was show with a different message, but I thought the message from the Believe show was beautiful. And also, I think that this Believe, the message, it reminds me that just to believe that everything will work out okay, and it will, because after 2 pretty horrendous years, this year 2011 has been amazing so far, and it's just set to get more and more amazing. And this reminds me that when I'm feeling sad or when I go and get stuff, just believe that everything will work out, and it will. I think it's really pretty. The band, the pink band, I love the colour pink. Pink and purple are my 2 favourite colours, but I wanted to get the band in black, just so that it would go with more things, but when I went back to get it, they're trying out. But the good thing is that if the pink gets broken or damaged, I can always attach this to another piece of jewellery, and I think it's gorgeous. I love it, and it's a good message. Just believe, have faith, and things will work out. Think positively. I don't have much other things. This figurine, I used to call it the wee lady. I still don't actually have a name for it. It's very cute, and it was my uncle's, and I actually broke it one day. I don't know if you can see. Hold on. Well, yeah, if you look there, there's a crack. I actually was playing with it in my uncle's house, because I thought it looked like me, and it does. It looks like I did when I was a little girl. And I broke the feet off of it because I dropped it. And my mum got me in trouble. And my uncle stopped her, and then he was like, don't shout at her, it's okay, she's just a kid.